Welcome again to this video. In my previous video, I dropped the step-by-step process on how you can sell your coin. It's either your Bitcoin, your Ethereum coin, your USDT coin on Bybit. So in this video, I want to show you guys how you can sell your coins here on Binance. So the process that you need to follow is you need to come to this home page here. Have you see? You need to come to this place, like this place here, and you click on here. So what you need to do now, after this surface has opened like this, you need to come to this most services. You click on this most services, then you scroll down to where you see P2P. You scroll down, have you see? Here at this trade, you see P2P. You click on this P2P. So I need to click on this P2P. So have you see? This process is for you to buy via P2P, and this one is to sell via P2P. You enter this sell via P2P. So this person needs a coin. So what you need to do now, I'll need to chat this first person bank transfer. I'll need to click on this sell. You need to click on this sell, then you put the USDT that you want to sell. As for me, I want to sell all, so I'll click on all. So after I've clicked on all, I'll need to now choose my bank. I can add another bank again, but for the benefit of this tutorial, I'm not going to add any other bank. So that is just for that. So I will come here to click on place order, and then I need to click on this place order now. So after I've clicked on this place order now, I'll need to click on this chat now to chat the person, so that I can message him and tell him that he should make the transfer for me, so that I can release the coin for him. I click on chat, then I'll need to chat the person. I'll need to tell him, hi, you see, pay and I will release the coin to you. Then I'll need to tell the person my rate at 1,500 naira. Have you seen? So 1,500 naira per dollar. Okay, then that is just the thing. So I'll need to wait for I'll pause this video and wait for the person to reply. Once it reply, I'll play the video back until the process of him paying, and then I release the coins to him. All right, so the person have replied to my chat. He say, boss, that is going to pay 3,300 total 13k, and I told him to pay it for 14,000 for 1,450, sorry, and I asked him to pay 1,450 per dollar. So I was a little bit confused. I said, okay, now since I'm not with my alert phone, that I should send my OPay to him. And now he said, boss, sorry boss, already sent I already sent to your UBA account. I say, okay. I say send payment proof, but as for me, I'll need to go to my UBA bank now to check. So I'll need to move now to my WhatsApp, because I like chatting with them on WhatsApp. I need to check on UBA. I need to check on transfer. Let's try to transfer out the money. So if you really need this process, I can guide you on how you can follow up this process that I'm doing now, for you to chat with your with UBA directly with your WhatsApp or your Facebook. You need to click on this, which is new account. Click on new account. So I'll need to enter my account number. Okay, here's my account. 2926519589. Okay, so after that, I'll need to return to my bank. They say which bank. I'll choose on P, which is OPay Digital Service Limited. Okay, how much did you want to transfer? I'll need to calculate how much the money is. I'll need to transfer 14,200. All right, I'll click on skip. All right, we'll click on paid. I'll click on the account. All right, I'll need to put my PIN so that the transaction can go 8 times. So correct PIN. You see, okay, I've transferred the money now to my OPay. So that's how it is. I'll now go and release the coin to him. I'll now click here, click on payment received, click on, have you seen, I have verified that payment of so amount have been received from. Click on there, confirm the payment. I'll need to release the coin to him. Then I'll need to move now to my authenticator app, and then 2423 830. 423,830 for me to. So have you seen? I have successfully sell my USDT. So this is just the simplest method or the simplest way you can take to sell your USDT on Binance. So thank you guys for watching this video.